Cashing out Bitcoin to a bank account is one of the most common questions for cryptocurrency investors and users. As Bitcoin continues to dominate the financial markets as the leading digital currency, more people are earning, trading, or investing in it. However, understanding how to convert Bitcoin into traditional fiat currency like dollars, euros, or naira remains essential for anyone who wants to bridge the gap between the digital economy and the conventional banking system. To start, Bitcoin operates in a decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem, which means there is no single authority or intermediary controlling transactions. This independence allows people to send and receive money freely without banks or governments in between. But when it comes to withdrawing your Bitcoin and transferring it to your bank account, you have to use certain platforms and processes that facilitate the conversion. These include cryptocurrency exchanges, peer-to-peer marketplaces, and Bitcoin ATMs. The most straightforward method to cash out Bitcoin is through a cryptocurrency exchange. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Bitstamp allow users to sell Bitcoin for fiat currency directly. The process begins with creating and verifying an exchange account. Verification typically includes providing personal identification, linking a bank account, and ensuring compliance with Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations. Once verified, you can deposit your Bitcoin into the exchange wallet and initiate a sell order. After the sale, the equivalent fiat amount can be withdrawn to your bank account. It's important to understand that each exchange may have different withdrawal limits, fees, and transfer times. For example, some withdrawals may take 1 to 5 business days to reflect, depending on your bank and country. Additionally, exchanges may charge transaction fees ranging from 0.1% to 1% of the withdrawn amount. While this might seem small, for large transactions, it can add up quickly. Therefore, knowing the withdrawal fees and conversion rates before initiating a transfer is crucial for maximizing returns. Another popular way to cash out Bitcoin is through peer-to-peer P2P platforms. These allow users to sell Bitcoin directly to other individuals without intermediaries. Sites like Binance P2P, Paxful, and Local Bitcoins are some of the most well-known. On these platforms, you can list your Bitcoin for sale, set your preferred exchange rate, and choose your desired payment method, including bank transfer, PayPal, or mobile money. The platform holds the Bitcoin in escrow until the buyer confirms payment. This process ensures safety and fairness for both parties. For people living in regions with limited access to traditional banking or strict regulations, P2P trading has become a lifeline. It provides flexibility and access to liquidity without relying on centralized exchanges. However, it is essential to trade only with verified users and always use platforms with a secure escrow system to prevent scams. Beyond exchanges and P2P platforms, Bitcoin ATMs also offer a convenient method to cash out. These machines are available in major cities worldwide and allow users to insert Bitcoin and withdraw cash directly. Bitcoin ATMs typically charge higher fees, often between 5% and 10%, but they offer instant access to cash, making them ideal for small withdrawals or urgent needs. If you prefer privacy, Bitcoin ATMs are also one of the most discreet options, since they don't always require identity verification for small amounts. However, as regulatory compliance increases globally, most Bitcoin ATMs now require ID for larger transactions. In some cases, users prefer to use crypto debit cards to access their Bitcoin funds seamlessly. These cards, offered by companies like Crypto.com, BitPay, and Binance, allow you to load Bitcoin onto the card and spend it anywhere debit cards are accepted. When you make a purchase or withdrawal, the card automatically converts Bitcoin into fiat currency at the current exchange rate. This method is fast, efficient, and integrates directly with the traditional banking system. While these options make it easy to cash out Bitcoin, understanding the tax implications is vital. In most countries, selling Bitcoin for fiat is considered a taxable event. Governments treat cryptocurrencies as property or investment assets, meaning any profit made from selling Bitcoin is subject to capital gains tax. Therefore, always record your transactions, keep track of your purchase prices, and report gains accurately to avoid legal issues. Security should also be a top priority. When transferring Bitcoin to exchanges or other platforms, ensure you're using secure networks and two-factor authentication 2FA. Phishing websites and scams are common in the crypto space. Always double-check wallet addresses before sending any Bitcoin, as transactions cannot be reversed once completed. Additionally, avoid keeping large amounts of Bitcoin on exchanges for extended periods. After converting and withdrawing, consider transferring your remaining Bitcoin to a hardware wallet for safekeeping. Timing your cash out also plays an important role in maximizing value. The Bitcoin market is highly volatile, with prices fluctuating rapidly. Monitoring Bitcoin price charts, market trends, and exchange rates can help you sell at optimal times. Many investors use technical analysis tools to determine when to convert Bitcoin to fiat currency for the best returns. The emergence of stablecoins like USDT, USDC, and DAI has also made it easier to manage Bitcoin liquidity. If you don't want to cash out immediately, but wish to avoid volatility, you can convert Bitcoin to stablecoins before eventually withdrawing to your bank. Stablecoins maintain a one-to-one peg with fiat currencies, offering stability and flexibility for traders. Another crucial step is understanding how international regulations affect Bitcoin withdrawals. Some countries impose strict controls on crypto-to-bank transfers, while others fully support them. In supportive jurisdictions, Bitcoin is often integrated with banking APIs, allowing seamless withdrawals. In restricted regions, users may rely more on P2P or offshore accounts to access liquidity. For large-scale withdrawals, using an over-the-counter OTC desk is ideal. OTC services cater to high-net-worth individuals and institutional investors who want to sell large amounts of Bitcoin without affecting market prices. OTC transactions are private, discreet, and often come with lower fees than traditional exchanges. Cashing out Bitcoin is not only about converting crypto into fiat. It's about transitioning from a decentralized system to a centralized one safely. Understanding how to comply with anti-money laundering (AML) laws, KYC procedures, and tax rules ensures your funds move legally and securely. When withdrawing to your bank account, always ensure your name matches the bank and exchange accounts. Mismatched names can lead to delayed or rejected transactions. Some banks also block crypto-related transactions, so confirm your bank's policy on cryptocurrency deposits before transferring. In developing economies, Bitcoin has become a major tool for financial empowerment. People use it to receive payments from abroad, store value, and bypass restrictive financial systems. The ability to cash out Bitcoin to local bank accounts or mobile money platforms enhances global financial inclusion, allowing more people to participate in the global economy. Additionally, transaction speed and network fees can vary based on blockchain congestion. During periods of high network activity, Bitcoin transaction fees may rise and confirmations may take longer. Planning your withdrawals during off-peak periods can save money and reduce delays. For users concerned with privacy, decentralized exchanges DEXs such as BISC allow Bitcoin trades without relying on centralized control. DEXs connect users directly, using multi-signature escrow systems to ensure trust and transparency. This model provides anonymity while maintaining security and compliance. Cashing out Bitcoin is more than just a financial operation. It represents a bridge between two worlds, the decentralized crypto economy and the traditional banking infrastructure. As more financial institutions integrate blockchain technology, the process becomes smoother and more efficient. In the future, bank accounts may directly support crypto deposits and withdrawals, removing the need for third-party exchanges entirely. Bitcoin continues to redefine how we think about money and value transfer. Knowing how to liquidate your Bitcoin safely and efficiently ensures you can access its real-world benefits. Whether through centralized exchanges, P2P systems, ATMs, or debit cards, the ability to cash out represents financial flexibility and empowerment in the digital age. Always prioritize legal compliance, transparency, and security when converting Bitcoin to fiat. As regulations evolve, staying informed will help you make better financial decisions and avoid unnecessary risks. If you found this explanation valuable, make sure to subscribe for more deep-dive educational content on cryptocurrency, blockchain, and digital finance. Stay informed, stay secure, and take full control of your financial future.